Refund requests happen in every coaching business. But if too many come in or are not handled consistently, your payment processor might see it as a red flag and freeze your account. Here's a simple way to manage refund requests professionally. Open Google Docs and write out your refund policy template, including your response time, transfer options, and support email. Having this ready helps clients know what to expect and reduces misunderstandings. But even with a clear policy, too many refunds in a short period can still trigger processor reviews or account holds. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their platform helps monitor refund ratios and dispute trends in real time, so you can spot issues early and stay within safe limits. It is a smart way to keep your coaching payments stable and your account protected. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. Their refund monitoring tools make it easier to prevent flags before they happen. Refunds don't have to put your coaching business at risk. With EasyPay Direct, you can manage payments confidently and keep your account running smoothly. Use the link in the description to get started today.